Hi guys, and welcome again to Ken the Reads. I just want to show you very quickly how to create a data entry form in an Excel workbook. The ideal purpose of this form is just to help you be able to ease in your data management process when it comes to inputting data in your Excel worksheet. Instead of going down, maybe in a situation where you have like a series of rows and columns, the entry form will be very helpful in inputting such data. So to start off, I'll show you where to find the form icon. Right from your quick access toolbar, come to the small arrow here, then come to more commands, and then locate all commands from here. Then we have forms. There are forms from here. You can add, and will be added onto your quick access toolbar. Right from there, come and select your headers. This is the header. You can select your header and some part of your document. Once you have this, just come and click onto the form that we just added to our quick access toolbar. From there, you'll have your form already inserted. You already have your data entry form here. So from this data entry form, you can see we have the first name, the second name, gender, everything, which are now the headers of your data here. So from here you can create a new one here. Just let's write let me write Mary. Gender female, is 1975, date of joining 01/01/2001, department is front office, or let me say administration, and then job group G. See what is happening to column 9, row 9. On the moment I click onto new, you will see that the data is already inputted, is already entered there. So it becomes very much easy for you to manage this whole process of data entering right from this single sheet here, from this single form known as the data entry form. Again, if it is your first time being in this channel, kindly go through other videos, subscribe to my channel, hit to that bell, and stay glued for more informational tutorials.